really can't take myself seriously looking like a scarecrow. There's a wasp. I don't know if I've just got a huge head. I don't know. Good morning. So I'm going to Cornwall today for a little staycation with my boyfriend. Also, excuse this mess. I literally have not long woke up, so excuse that. I have actually fake tan, so excuse the fake tan hands, and I'm just waiting for my nails and my toes to dry because I'm just having a little bit of a pamper morning. So yeah, I literally just thought I'd film what I am doing today because I've got to pack a case. Even though I'm only going for 4 days, I will end up packing my life basically. So, but I'm kind of also hiding from a spider right now because last night before I went to bed there was literally a spider in my room the size of my hand. Like, I'm not even joking. I thought I'd cured my spider fear when I went to Australia, but obviously not. It was literally huge, and I did go to kill it. Sorry, I know people are going to be offended with me killing this spider, but there's no other way of me getting this out of the room. And it ran off and I lost it right before I went to bed. So I didn't really sleep well last night because I just was a bit paranoid about this spider living in my room. But to be fair, my mum actually found one in her room this morning, so I'm not sure if it's the same one because it was quite big, but I'm still convinced that was his brother or sister, and this one is still making himself comfortable in my bedroom. But yeah, I think I'm just going to do my nails now. Don't even mind my natural hair. This is literally what it looks like when I've left it to dry. It goes really, really wavy. I don't know why. I had curly hair as a kid, but when I leave it to dry naturally, this is exactly what it looks like, so don't mind that. But yeah, I'm going to do my nails now, so let me just show you. Well, I didn't actually have time to get my nails done, and to be fair, I'm really trying not to spend unnecessary money. I really can't take myself seriously looking like a scarecrow. Excuse the hair. Yeah, so basically I'm trying to not spend unnecessary purchases like my nails, anything like that this month, because I'm just trying to be a good saver, you know. So these are actually the nails that I've done so far. I just used, I don't know if I've got it anywhere, it's just the Barry Jelly nail polish, and I think it was in Pistachio, the shade for this one, but I actually really like this green colour. I think it's quite nice. And I actually used this, which is basically just some fake nails from Primark. It's just the clear nails. I know they do like the white ones and the tips as well. And it comes with the glue, and I've literally just stuck those on, fold them down to square because I don't actually like the pointy nails, and then just painted them. And what I'm going to do now is I've basically ordered these stickers from Amazon, and they're basically just nail stickers, and they have so many, so let me show you. So they have like all these kind of stickers. They have like flowers, butterflies, leaves, literally everything you can imagine. I think I'm going to stick this one right here on my nail. Well, I'm going to attempt to. I feel like it's going to be really difficult. So wish me luck. I'm going to try and stick it on one of these two nails, I think. And yeah, let's just see how it goes. Your eyes don't shine. Okay, so I am now currently packing my case, and it is actually taking me so much longer than I planned on, just because I am on the hunt for this spider. Well, I'm not actually on the hunt for this spider. I don't want it to come out and jump at me. But every time I try and move something in my room, I'm just expecting to see it, so I'm doing it very, very slowly. Don't mind that mess in the background just there. I need to tidy up, but again, I'm scared of like lifting those things off the rail and the spider being attached to the clothing, so might as well just show you this now. Actually, I picked up this from Pretty Little Thing, this set. It's kind of like the Zara Limitless collection. It's just this two-piece, so it's just some little cycling shorts and the matching bralette, and I literally have got clothes for every kind of weather. It does say that it's going to be like really quite nice in Cornwall, but I just feel like you never know, do you? And I always get cold, so I've got literally jumpers, jackets, a bikini, I mean, I'm literally packed for the whole entire year and I'm only going for 4 days, so that's great. I'm a little bit stressed because it is currently 12:39 and I need to be out of the house by 2 p.m. I mean, I'm not ready. I need to have a shower. Luckily I've washed my hair, done my nails and everything like that. I just need to get ready, have a shower and then carry on packing my case. And my mum is ringing me now, so I've got to go. Bye. Okay, so I've just got out the shower. I have actually got a towel on. I'm not just stood here naked and it looks like it. It actually looks like I've completely washed all my tan off, but I think it's just because I'm sat in front of the window that's why I'm so light. A little bit in a rush, but I'm not not panicking, as she says, as she's like banging the sponge against her face. Yeah, I've literally got about 50 minutes to get ready. I don't actually have my suitcase packed. Suitcase, like I'm going actually abroad. This isn't even my shade, I've put way too much foundation on. So we're not actually going to like one place in Cornwall, we're going actually round Cornwall. My dad actually lives there, so we're going to go see him as well. And yeah, please don't mind the mess in the background. What is it when you're packing, your room just becomes an absolute bomb site. Take it from me, don't ever leave it until the day you go to pack, because you end up so stressed. I've literally got 50 minutes, I'm really hungry as well, like I really want to get some food, but I might have to get some food on the way. Hopefully I can convince Jack to stop at McDonald's or something. I do triple cheeseburgers at McDonald's now, and I had one the other day. Amazing. It just really hits the spot, you know. Hopefully we can have one of those, or a KFC. Or do you know what, actually I'm really feeling a Subway today. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna have to get ready. There's a wasp. Oh, it's outside. Is it? Yeah. I think I'm gonna have to carry on getting ready off camera. Are you joking? This is just going from bad to worse. Still haven't found the spider. This spider's gonna haunt me, isn't it? So yeah, I'm gonna have to get ready off camera and then I'll come back when hopefully I'm a little less stressed. Wish me luck. Okay, so I've just finished my makeup and I've got to go do my hair now. It's 1:30. I've got to be out the house by 2. Still haven't got my case, still haven't got to change, got to do my hair. I'm literally just the worst person in the world for things like this. I never ever am the most organised friend. That is just not me, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna go do all that and stop chatting to the camera, because what is that helping anyone? Okay, so even though I've got absolutely no time whatsoever, and excuse the roller in my hair, I'm just going to keep that in until I leave, just so it's got that nice bounce. Just thought I would show you a quick little mini Pretty Little Thing and ASOS haul, just because I picked up some bits to wear in Cornwall. I showed you this earlier, but this is just the little cycling shorts. It's just in this rib material. That one in a size 8 to go with this little ribbed sage green crop top. I just thought these two together were so nice, and it is a bit of a dupe for the, I say dupe, they're probably about the same price to be honest, but it's kind of a copy of the Zara Limitless collection, is it? I think it's the Limitless collection. And then I thought with those two to go with, they're from Pretty Little Thing by the way, to go with this green oversized shirt. This is the same one as my lemon one that I've had in one of the previous hauls, and whenever I wear it I always get questions about where I've had it from. It's just from the Collusion brand from ASOS, and yeah, it's just this oversized green shirt to go with those. I thought that as a 3-piece would look really quite nice. I don't know any of the prices of these, but I will link them all in the description below anyway. Also from ASOS I picked up this t-shirt which I'm absolutely loving. I can't wait to wear this. It's just this Rhode Island National Tennis Club oversized t-shirt, and that's the front, and then on the back you've just got that there. I just thought these with some light denim shorts. I'm literally still shopping for summer, just because it's got to be literally like 24 degrees in Cornwall. So even though I'm really excited for autumn winter clothing, I am still shopping for summer. I mean, it'll all come in next year, but whatever. Picked up 2 pairs of cycling shorts. So this first pair is like the slinky material in like a cream ecru kind of shade. I also got the same version as the sage ones, which is just these here, and I'm not sure. I've picked up both because I don't know which one I'm going to prefer to wear, so I'm taking both with me, then I probably will end up returning one of these. I also picked up this cap, which I'm not really a hat wearer, but I just thought I would try it. But to be honest, I put it on last night. It did seem really small from the head. I don't know if I've just got a huge head, I don't know. The only thing that terrifies me about this is like makeup and fake tan. It's going to be all over it, but it is just a really, really nice cap. This one's from ASOS. Sorry I keep doing it all mixed up, but it's all just together in this pile. I got this bag from Pretty Little Thing. It's kind of a bit of a Prada dupe, sort of. This isn't from ASOS or Pretty Little Thing, this is from Topshop, but it's just this jumper and I actually love it so much. I haven't actually wore it yet, but I can tell you how much this one is. This is $29.99 and the fit is just so nice. Sorry I don't get a chance to do a try on for all of these, but if you follow me on Instagram, I'm pretty sure you can see some of the items being worn out and about in Cornwall. And yeah, I really don't know why I've just sat down and done that, because it's literally 10 past 2. Should have left 10 minutes ago. Jack, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. I'm always late. Okay, I've just took my hair out the roller, so mind how crazy it is at the moment. It will go down. I'm going for 4 days, as I've said about 1,000 times, and this is literally what I am taking with me. So I've got my handbag. I need to put all this stuff back in. I've got this huge Primark bag and my suitcase, and like I said, I've packed for every single occasion. But at least, you know, I've got options when I get there, which is probably a bad idea also, because it's going to take me about an hour to get ready every day. Longer than an hour, way longer than an hour. But I don't know which sunglasses to wear today, so I've just got these two. These are the first pair. I think these are from Primark. I just thought, oh, I haven't showed you my outfit. So this top is from where is this from? Missguided, and these were in the sale at Topshop and I think they were about £7. So this is my outfit today. So I don't know if to keep with the theme of the like peach with these, or do I go like full out there and go with these ones. These are quite like matrixy, they're quite cool. But do you know what, I actually quite like these ones, to be honest. I've literally got about 1,000 pairs of sunglasses, so I've got an outfit to go with every pair. I also picked up this from Boots yesterday. I feel like you have to take one of these. Why have I still got these sunglasses on? I have absolutely no idea. One of these disposable throwaway cameras, and honestly they're my favourite thing ever to take on holiday. I just feel like it's so nice to look back on, especially like, you know, when you've got like kids and you can go through and be like, oh, this is where I went. Is that really cringe? I don't know. But I just love looking through old-fashioned pictures of my mum when she was younger. Old-fashioned. You're not that old, Mum, sorry. So I just thought it would be really nice to get some disposable prints from Cornwall. And yeah, I need to stop talking now. This is the choice of scent today. I've not actually opened it yet since my birthday. One of my friends also got me one of these. Ugh, I can't do this one-handed. And it is honestly just my favourite scent. I haven't wore this in like literally, I would say 2 years. I've not worn Alien, and it is honestly my favourite scent ever. Okay, so I guess that's going to go ahead and conclude today's video. Sorry it's been a bit all over the place. I don't even know if it's going to make sense when I edit this back. Hopefully I've got enough footage for a whole video. That never got sorted, so let me just move out the way so we don't see that in the background. So I am probably about half an hour late, still filming this video. You know what you want to see in future videos. I just don't want to keep doing like hauls and hauls. I love doing hauls, but obviously I don't want it to get a little bit boring for you watching either. And I am also trying to save this month, so this month's going to be a bit lacking in the haul department. I just thought I would show you a quick little mini Pretty Little Thing and ASOS haul. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribed, then please subscribe to this channel. It means so much to me. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and yeah, let me know what you want to see in future videos. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye!